Welcome to the Cast Iron Babe. I'm Julianne, and I'm so glad that you're here. Today, we are going to talk about something that is going to make your life so much easier and your family so much happier. And that is how to meal plan with your family. And so we're going to jump to that in just a moment. But before we go there, I want to tell you about our mission. Feed the people, nourish yourself, bringing people together around the common love of food and family. So are you ready to get going? Get your pen, get your piece of paper. I know you get to that dinner time hour and it's stressful. What are we gonna have for dinner? Who's fixing dinner? Are we ordering out? Should we just pick up? Should we go out to eat? There's just so many choices, and sometimes that can be really frustrating, especially in a family. And so the goal today is to really share something with you that I've done with my family that is going to help you put into play your meal plan for the week, and it's going to engage everyone in the family. Step one in the process of having a well-run home is pulling that family together and doing that meal planning. You sit down and then you just ask everyone, what do you guys want to have this week? And everyone gets to bring their own ideas to the table, so to speak. The other thing that is really great is that each person in the family can be acknowledged in this process. And no matter how much or little someone participates, everyone needs that acknowledgement to feel like they're part of the overall purpose. So the goal of this is to set that environment and have a lot of fun. So play the right music, have a special meal, get everyone's input, and when you do that and you walk away with your meal plan for the week, they will become more and more engaged in helping out around the house, assuming more responsibility, and giving you an opportunity to rest every once in a while. Wouldn't that be wonderful? So again, this is the first step in the process of creating a home that is really well run and really helping your kids out in the same process. One of the things to begin to give yourself grace about right away is that this is not going to be perfect. And so you get to find your own sense of perfect in the perfection. And once that environment is set, really recognizing and being open for the outcome to be something other than what you may have expected. So the key is the perfection is in the imperfection. So you've got everyone around the table, you've got the great music playing, and now just ask everyone what they would like to eat for one of the meals the upcoming week. Do they have any staples that they want to add to that grocery list? Bring out the coupons, show them how they can save. And when you're doing that meal planning, it's really, really beneficial to have to start with those coupons to see what's on special, and maybe you can even plan your meals around that. Bring playfulness and adventure into each person going out and coming with their own choices. Now, I know not everyone is going to be able to do that, but even if you have a 2-year-old or an 18-month-old, you can ask them what they want, and you can give them a crayon and a piece of paper, and they can be part of the process too. Well, I hope that you found that helpful, and I just want to say thanks for spending some time together. And if you enjoyed this information, share it with someone. We always love your likes and subscribes, and we always want to invite you to come back because we are improving each and every week. We're growing with you. So come back next week. Go to castironbabe.com, check us out for our butter skillet toast recipe, and have a wonderful day.